Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to be doing my first reading a story. Well, I've read books before, but not on camera. Today I'm gonna be reading Pete the Cat Rockin' in My School Shoes. Hi guys, we're about to do a game night right now because our trip to the cabin got canceled. Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking in red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings his song. Right now they're seeing which game we're starting with. I'm rocking in my school shoes, I'm rocking in my school shoes, I'm rocking in my school shoes. I think this author did a really good job, except for the fact that his feet are humongous. But it's okay. When I draw, my hands are humongous. He is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Where's he going, guys? Books on every wall. The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. Apparently his favorite book's about cowboys. I need to fix this. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. I need to fix the book. There we go. Alright. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Now he's reading about dinosaurs. Before he was reading about cowboys. Maybe the cowboys met a dinosaur? Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? It kind of like gives it away because here it says Pete's lunch. The lunchroom. At my school, they call it the cafeteria. But I can't go to the cafeteria anymore because of coronavirus. Hold on, let me finish this YouTube video. The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. You know what? There, I'll fix that after. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I love Pete the Cat books, but I stopped reading them because I get him confused with Max. Have you ever read Max books? Max at Night and stuff? Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? I almost flipped the page without showing you guys. There's a bird on the slide. The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. Oh, and guys, you can follow along if you want. And if you weren't following along, you can like start the whole video over if you want. But I wouldn't. Because you saw the title. I said in the title, you can follow along if you want. So, I'm playing in my school shoes, I'm playing in my school shoes, I'm playing in my school shoes, and my hair's kinda naughty. And yes, I did have school today, but I had Zoom. I don't know what could have happened to my hair. Except for that long drive where my head was pressed against my booster seat the whole time. 5 hours. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm singing in my school shoes. Oh, I'm adding, wait, what? All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. Look, he's doing math right there. Hold on, wait. What's 1 plus 1? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 2. What's 2 plus 2? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. What's 2 plus 3? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. Oh wait, did I show you the picture? I'm gonna do it again in case. I have a bad memory. Okay. Oh look, that's so funny. Oh wait, I'll show you when I'm done reading. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Look right there. Kitty door. Isn't that so funny? The sun's setting. I feel like a very talented kid drew this. What? I'm almost done with this book. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, I wonder what he's gonna say. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it all again. And I will do it again tomorrow. Not all. Look, there he is saying, I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And there he is right there with his backpack. And look, school zone. Isn't that funny? Funny, funny, funny. Because it's all good. I like at the end of his story, he always says like, and it was all smooth, or like it was all great, or it was all good, or something. Well, guys, I hope you liked this book. It's my first read aloud. Whoop, whoop. And I will see you guys in my next video, which I don't know when it will be. Anyways, bye. Hope you have a good weekend, everybody. Well, today's Friday for me, but I don't know if you're watching this video on Friday. So, bye.